Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by inspecting the enamel for chips and heavy wear. If you see bare iron, stop and use another pan. Next, dry the cookware fully and set it on medium heat. Enameled cast iron holds heat strongly, so start moderate to avoid hot spots. Add a small amount of oil or butter once the pan is warm to create a non-stick surface. This prevents food from sticking and distributes heat evenly. Be ready to adjust flame as the pan reaches cooking temperature. Once the pan is preheated for about 3 to 5 minutes, test by flicking a few drops of water. They should sizzle and dance. You can sear proteins on medium-high to develop color, then immediately reduce heat to finish cooking gently. This uses the pan's heat retention to your advantage. Stir or flip with wood or silicone utensils so you don't scratch the enamel, and monitor temperature rather than relying solely on time because heat carries longer in this cookware. To finish, turn off heat and let the pan cool a bit. Plunging a hot enameled pan into cold water risks chipping. When cooled, wash by hand using warm water, mild detergent, and a non-abrasive scrubber. Avoid the dishwasher for long-term enamel care. If food is stuck, soak with warm water and a spoonful of baking soda, then gently scrub. For stubborn stains, simmer water and baking soda for a few minutes. If an edge chip appears, stop using for high-heat cooking and inspect regularly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.